Memory is very important. It helps us live every day. We use memory for small things. We also use it for big choices. Life is hard without memory. Memory makes us who we are. It defines our personal story. Our past lives within our memory always. It is a fundamental part of us. Think about your morning routine. You remembered how to dress yourself. You found your keys quite easily. You navigated the route to your work. These are all memory acts. They seem simple to us now, but they are very vital indeed. Memory works for us constantly, often unnoticed. It guides our actions smoothly. Memories are not just facts. Memories are also strong feelings. They link us to our personal past. They help us learn lessons from events. Good memories bring us much joy. Sad memories can teach us great caution. Our collection of memories is unique. They truly belong only to each of us. This essay explores human memory. We will see how it really works. We will learn about its common flaws. Experts will share their newest ideas. People with amazing memory will too. Understanding memory helps us greatly. It helps us understand our own minds. Let us start learning more right now. Memories begin as simple experiences. Our senses gather all the information. Sights, sounds, and smells are data. The brain then processes this data. This is the first step in making a memory. It is a complex process. It is also an amazing one. The brain is like a powerful computer. This gathered information then goes through encoding. Encoding changes the information effectively. It turns it into a special form. This form the brain can store. Think of saving a file on a computer. The brain needs to label information. It must organize the information well. This makes it easier to find later. After the encoding, proper storage happens. The brain carefully keeps the memory. Some memories stay for a short time. Others can last for an entire lifetime. Different parts of the brain help store memories. The hippocampus is very important for new memories. The neocortex stores much older memories. These areas work together seamlessly. The final step is called retrieval. This is when we recall a memory. We bring it back to our conscious mind. Sometimes retrieval is quite easy. Other times it is very difficult. Certain cues can help us remember. A smell or a song can trigger a memory. Understanding these steps helps us see how memory functions. Not all of our memories are the same. We have different types of memory. One main type is short-term memory. This holds information for a brief period. Think of a phone number you just heard. You hold it in your mind to dial, then you might forget it quickly. It has a very limited capacity. Short-term memory can become working memory. Working memory is much more active. It lets us hold and also use information. We use it for active problem solving. We use it for understanding complex language. It is like a mental workspace for tasks. It is essential for many cognitive functions. It helps us focus our attention. Then there is our long-term memory. This system stores information for much longer. It can last for many days. It can last for weeks or even a lifetime. Long-term memories include facts we know. They also include our personal experiences. Your childhood memories are in long-term storage. The capital of a country is also there. Long-term memory itself has further divisions. Explicit memory is for facts and events. We consciously recall these things. Implicit memory is largely unconscious. It includes skills like riding a bicycle. It also includes various conditioned responses. Knowing how to do something is often implicit. Knowing that something happened is explicit. These systems work together always.
Our memories are not perfect recordings. They can sometimes be quite wrong. These errors are called false memories. A false memory feels completely real, but it is not truly accurate. It might be a distorted memory, or it could be something that never happened. This can be very surprising to learn. How do false memories actually happen? One way is through simple suggestion. If someone suggests something happened, we might start to believe it. This can happen with leading questions. It can also happen if we hear a story many times. Our minds can fill in gaps with incorrect information. This process is often quite unconscious.
Another factor is our own imagination. If we imagine an event vividly, it can feel like a real memory. The brain sometimes confuses imagination with reality. This is called imagination inflation effect. The more we imagine something, the more likely we are to believe it truly occurred. This shows how creative our minds can sometimes be.
Misinformation can also create false memories. If we learn new, incorrect information after an event, it can change our memory. This changes our memory of that original event. This is known as the misinformation effect. It clearly shows that memories are not fixed. They can be updated and altered over time. Understanding false memories is important in many fields.
Section 5. Voices from the Lab, Insights from Neuroscientists. Neuroscientists study the brain and memory.
I work at a leading university. We are learning so much about brain plasticity. This means the brain can change. It can adapt over time. This is key to how memories form. It is also key to how they are stored.
New connections between brain cells are made.
Technology helps us a lot now. Brain imaging like fMRI lets us see the brain. We see it working in real time. We can observe active brain areas. This happens when someone remembers. This helps us map memory pathways.
They also study molecules in memory consolidation. This research is ongoing. Another expert is Dr. Ben Carter. He focuses on sleep and memory.
Sleep plays a crucial role. It helps in strengthening our memories. During sleep, the brain sorts experiences. It consolidates the day's events. Important memories are made stronger.
Less important ones might fade away. Good sleep is vital.
We investigate how emotions affect memory. Emotional events are remembered more vividly. The amygdala is key for emotion. It works with the hippocampus. This interaction tags emotional memories. It marks them as important.
Understanding this can help treat memory disorders. This is a focus of new research. Section 6. The Mind's Architects' Perspectives from Psychologists. Psychologists also study human memory. They focus on behavior. They study mental processes too.
We look at how people encode information. We study how they store it. We research how they retrieve it.
They use experiments to test memory aspects. Dr. Hayes emphasized memory's reconstructive nature.
Memory is not like a video. It is more like a puzzle. We reconstruct memories from pieces. We use bits of information. Sometimes we fill in the gaps. We use what seems plausible.
This is why memories can change. This is why they can have errors. We also spoke with Dr. Samuel Green. He is a clinical psychologist. He specializes in memory disorders.
In my work, I see memory loss. It has a devastating impact. Conditions like Alzheimer's disease affect memory. They affect it profoundly. Even everyday stress can impact memory.
He helps people cope. Dr. Green also mentioned memory in therapy.
Recalling past experiences is important. It is often part of healing. However, we must be very careful. How memories are retrieved matters. How they are interpreted matters too.
This is true for traumatic memories. Understanding memory's fallibility is crucial. It helps patients. Section 7. Living Archives, Tales of Extraordinary Memory. Some people have truly amazing memory. Their abilities are quite extraordinary.
One such person is known as AJ. She has highly superior autobiographical memory, often called HSAM. She can remember almost every day. She recalls her life in great detail. Give her a date from her past.
AJ describes her memory as a constant stream. Past events are always present. They are vivid in her mind. This can be overwhelming sometimes. It seems like a great superpower, but it also has its challenges.
Researchers are studying people like AJ. They hope to learn more about memory. Her brain might hold vital clues. Another example is memory athletes.
These individuals train their memories hard. They use special techniques often. They remember vast amounts of information. They can memorize very long lists. These lists can be numbers or words. They recall the order of cards.
Dominic O'Brien is a champion. He uses a memory palace.
These memory athletes clearly show something. They show memory can be improved. Practice and good techniques make a difference. Their amazing skills are not always innate. They are learned through dedication. They are honed with much effort. Their stories truly inspire us all. They show the mind's great potential. Understanding their methods might help us. Section 8. The Malleable Past Memory and Personal Identity. Our memories are deeply connected to us. They are connected to who we are. They form the story of our lives. This personal narrative shapes our identity.
What we remember about our past influences us. It influences how we see ourselves today. It also guides our future expectations. Our memories build our self-concept.
Because memories can change often, our sense of self can also be fluid. As we reinterpret our past events, our understanding of ourselves might shift. For instance, a difficult childhood memory might be reframed. This can happen later in life. This reinterpretation can lead to growth. It can lead to personal development. Our past is actively shaped.
This malleability of memory can be positive. It allows us to learn new things. It allows us to adapt to changes. We can overcome past traumas sometimes. We do this by changing how we remember. However, it also means our identity is vulnerable. False memories can become part of us. They can impact our beliefs greatly.
Understanding the link between memory and identity is very crucial. It helps us appreciate our own stories. These are the stories we tell ourselves. It encourages us to be mindful. We must be mindful of how we construct our past. Our memories are not just simple records, they are active parts of our journey. They help define us. Section 9. Conclusion: Memories echoes in our lives. Human memory is a fascinating system. It is also a very complex system. It allows us to learn from the past. It helps us navigate the present world. It lets us plan for our future. Memory is fundamental to daily routines. It shapes our deepest sense of self. It is a cornerstone of human experience. We have seen how memories are formed. We saw how they are stored. We have explored different types of memory. We also learned that memory is not always accurate. False memories can arise quite easily. They come from various influences. Insights from scientists deepen our understanding. They reveal the brain's incredible capacity. They also show its quirks. The stories of extraordinary memory are amazing. They show the potential of our minds. They also highlight diverse memory manifestations. Understanding memory has significant implications. It can help improve our education systems. It can inform various legal practices. It is also crucial for our mental health. Helping people with memory disorders is key. As we continue to unravel memory's mysteries, we gain valuable knowledge. This knowledge can truly empower us. It can help us improve our own memory. It can foster empathy for others. This includes those struggling with memory issues. Ultimately, understanding memory helps us understand being human. Our memories are very precious indeed. They are the echoes of our lives.